Well, good evening. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I recently got this in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon. It's a silicone, I don't know what you call it, but you're supposed to put your, your wax in there, and then you make your seals, and they come out like perfect circles. But it also came with these two seals, and this one looks like a hand holding a rose. This one says something, and I can't for the life of me figure out what it says, so that's why I'm doing this now, so I can figure out what that says. And it also came with these sticker dots so that you can put stickers on the back of your wax seals. I also got one of those little stands for the spoon, but that didn't come yet. Okay, so for now, let's get our wax melted so we can see what's on here. I got some purple here we'll try out first, and I'm not going to bore you and make you wait this whole time. I'll come back when it's melted. Our purple wax is melted. Ouch, ouchie. I'm going to dump it in here. I think we need more than 3. Well, maybe when I squish it down it won't though. So this is the one that I'm most curious about. Let's see how it comes out. This one is starting to melt a little bit. Gotta blow that one out. Okay, that one's not melting as fast. I think because maybe the flame is not close enough. Let's see. Let's see. That one seemed to work faster. Oh, this isn't really even melting. I don't know. This one seemed to melt faster, so look, it's got definitely a bigger flame, that's for sure. So let's do that. Blow out this one. I gotta get some more of these little tea lights, I guess. Because they're wearing out. Alright. It says be happy. I don't know if you can tell. I'll put some, let's see, I usually put gold ink on these, or, gold marker. And you'll be able to see better what it says. So that's nice. It says be happy. Do you see it? Oops. Can you see it? Be happy. Alright, my other one is starting to bubble up a little bit. So I think there was a little bit of black in there, so it's going to be black gold. Which reminds me of the Beverly Hillbillies. I remember in the summer I was allowed to stay up late to watch that because it was on at either 9 or 9:30. I forget. And during the school year, I wasn't old enough to watch the stay up late enough to watch the Beverly Hillbillies, but I could in the summer. And they discovered the what do you call it? Oil that they called black gold. That's just reminded me of that. So the only thing that I have trouble with is getting the old wax out of my spoons. And this one, this one came right off. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to do this one in white, and you can see that it's a flower, and there's the hand holding the flower. I can't really tell what this is. Another flower, and then some raised circles. So that's what that one looks like. You definitely need to have more than 3 wax pellets in there, so I think I'm going to try it one more time, or maybe 2 more times. I'll try 2 things. We already know be happy, and we already know what this one looks like. So let's try some of my other older ones and see how they look in being done in here. So I have a tree, I have a bee. Let's do the bee. That's my favorite. And then I also have a heart. Let's do a heart for Valentine's Day coming up. Alright, so we need our, I'm going to use a different one because that one seems to be a very low flame, very small flame. So let's do these, see if this one is as big as that one. Oh yeah. Alright. And we will, I have other inks, or other, I don't know why I keep calling these inks. Let's try, try a red or a pink. Let's try dark pink here for the heart. And we'll take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll hopefully 4 will do the trick. And then for the tree, let's do a green. No, it was a bee. Let's do yellow for a bee. I didn't pick the tree. I picked the bee. All right, so put these on here. This one looks like it's bent. Let's bend that back up a little bit. Not too high though. Put that on top of that one. Alright, so my pink one is ready to pour. So let's do that. And this is my heart. Oh, I still think it's not going to be a perfect circle. Alright, I believe my yellow is ready. I wonder if there's like some kind of scraping tool to scrape everything out. I almost feel like it needs even more still. Well, let's leave them in there for a minute and we'll see how they look. Oh, look how cute that is. That's a cute little heart. That came out really good. Not quite a perfect circle though. I think you're going to need 5 pellets to have a perfect circle. So I think I got to try it one more time just to try to get a perfect circle. So let's try even another, let's do the tree this time. How about that? Okay, and we'll do green. We'll use green, and I'm going to use 5 pellets of green. Here's my spoon. Here's my pellets. I've got light green and this green. Let's go for this green. And I'm going to put 5 pellets in there. 1. I think some of them are mixed up. 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be the magic number. I hope so. Gotta light my candle up again. I'm gonna have to get some new candles. I think I can maybe, whoops. Maybe I can melt down some of the partially burned ones. There, that's good. Let's see how oh, that one came right off too. Still not quite a full complete circle. But we do have a complete picture of a bee. So that's cool. Hopefully you can see that. And now we're going to melt these 5 green ones and do a tree. Alright, my green wax is ready. And there's 5 pellets in there. So hopefully we'll have a complete circle. I wonder if I move it around a little bit first, it would help. Yeah, there's my tree. Oh my gosh. I think it still is not going to make a perfect circle. But I think what we can do is try moving it a little bit first before we put the... I'm not going to do it now, but if we kind of move it around a little bit, I think we might be able to get the complete circle. I hope you enjoyed this little experimentation with wax seals and trying to figure out the mystery of this one. And we shall see you in the next video. Until then, oh, that came out really nice though. But not a total complete circle. These seem so big to me, but I don't know. I thought they'd be smaller actually. But anyway, until the next time, be happy, healthy, safe, warm, and dry, and I forget all the others. Joyful, cheerful, strong. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.